Hello everyone, today we will learn that how we can convert Fahrenheit to Celsius in C. Okay, so this is the folder where we will do our arithmetic operation related code. Just create a file, name it like, okay, so I just name it C to F. Okay, that is basically the C code extension. Include stdio.h and man. Okay, so let me remove this code. Okay, I have to take the floating values, so float Celsius, and this is Fahrenheit. Okay, and then we have to print enter temperature in Celsius, but we will take right now we are not learning that how we can take input from the users. But like, let us say I am just taking the Fahrenheit is equal to, yeah, something like that. And then what we will do is, this is the Celsius formula of Fahrenheit minus 32, and this is static multiply with 5.0 divided by 9.0. Okay, where did I get this formula? So let me show you. If you just click on this and go to the Google, or just go to the Brave and just enter one thing here, foreign Celsius, or foreign Celsius to Celsius to Fahrenheit equation. Okay, just go there and wait for a while. It will show you the equation. Okay, uh equation, yeah, this one, let's see, this is the equation. Okay, so in here our code, it is the equation. Okay, and then we will printing the Celsius temperature, okay, which is rounding up to 2 decimal point. Okay, and F represent printing the floating values. Okay, and this is the Celsius variable, this is a variable, hold this equation value. Okay, so now let's run the code. Okay, just okay, go to the Explorer. Okay, go here, cmd. Okay, and come here and write GCC. Okay, C underscore to F dot C dash output, which is C to F dot exe. Okay, now you can see you have created a file. Now execute this file, C underscore to F dot exe. This is the final temperature in Celsius. Thank you for watching.